Okay, so it's August 2nd, 2025. How to think about the year. But anyway, so now I got the Oregon Rainforest because last time I was at the desert, and so at the Rainforest, Tillamook State Forest. So show around. We just got here. There's Josh and Doja. Where's Doja? She's buried in the plants. No. So, anyways, yeah. I'll show more as we go. So, walking and got here where we're going to put up our... We didn't start even walking until it was later in the day. But, and then we didn't know, and we're walking out. I'm like, oh, I just knew we'd find something. So, yeah, we're going to put up our tent right here. But... And here's the river, and they got some rocks everywhere. And I got my fishing pole. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh, and that's perfect for swimming. Yes, we have to go swimming. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Ah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is like perfect swimming river. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy, excited. Oh, sorry about that glare. But, oh yes, okay, I need to get the tent set up and get... Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so the ground here was not ideal for tent stakes, but that's okay. So we didn't even try to set it up. So we're just going to sleep under the stars. And then here's the little river, and I got my pocket pole. There's the doggy all curled up. Josh is eating some food. Too much water, yeah. And then mine's looking up. And so I'm gonna go down here and yeah, do this for a little while my food thickens up. And the doggy, she's already tired. Slept through the night. It was a good night. Little puppy right here being a cutie pie. And we'll go down there and fish for a little. Can't even see the top of the mountain there because the cloud in the way. There's Josh doing water things. So, gonna fish a little here, and then we're gonna go walking to a different, around the mountain to a different river or something like that. Alright, I'll take my phone back up when out. We're at the top. So, these plants were on the trail, and they were coming up, and then, but did not look like they were going to be getting this big. And I don't know if these are here year-round and they don't die back in the winter or something, but they're huge. I don't know, that's, what, how tall is that?
I mean, if I got up there, I don't know,
15
feet. This one here is probably close to 10 foot tall. That one in the background right here.
And they're super pokey.
But I bet it doesn't die in the winter because it doesn't get cold enough here. You know?
Yeah, they're huge. Yeah. Size scooper shirt.
You should get it. Okay.
So this is my new shirt I found. And I just need to figure out how to permanently attach it. Okay, you can stop right now. Beautiful view with the clouds touching the tops of the mountains. I'll zoom in, but it's not gonna look as pretty. came to this cool plant with this cool spider. And I was trying to get a photo of it, but I was having a hard time. But anyways, that spider's like so beautiful. I love it. Oh, and the pretty plant. Foxglove, I think is what it's called. And not think it is what it's called, but it's beautiful. I mean, it has other names too. But look, the dot's going inside. Oops. Josh, I'm coming. Ow, I got poked. Oh, here's more. Oh, these ones are dark colored. Oh, those ones are dark. Yeah. Wondered, all you hear me say is I'm close enough. And you behind me. And you behind me. Just came to the most beautiful snake. I don't know if it's, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Some kind of corn snake. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna have to find out what kind of snake it is. It's beautiful. I wonder if it would let me hold it.
Probably right now. It's probably sunning itself.
Oh, I probably could have held it. I don't know why I didn't just go for it. I wonder if it's just like a super beautiful. That's how the garter snakes look here. I don't know. That snake was super pretty though. So I haven't recorded at all since we stopped here because I was just recording and I was tired and took a little nap on there. And so we're right. There's like a perfect little swim hole, and so we're just cowboy sleeping tonight. Cowboy camping or whatever. Oh, again, because I liked it. So, yeah. Just already got everything all set up and already ate dinner and yeah. Just getting ready for bed. So, we slept through the night and anyways, I know it's chilly and I'm just trying to stay warm before going, but pretty morning, all the fishies, and then the little water bugs over there are pretty cool. Dancing in the water. So I'm just watching the water bugs. And then there's two little birds that are swimmy fly birds, and they're pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to try to film the most interesting bird. It's so fun to watch. It like swims but it's a good flyer too, but it loves swimming and it does the funnest little swims. I'm going to try to get a little closer. I don't want to scare it though. Oh. There, it's in the water doing it. See? Anyways, we've been watching these birds since yesterday, and they're so cool. I'm gonna try to get a little closer. I'll probably end up scaring it. Hi, little birdie! Don't go anywhere! Oh. Now I probably made them. There it is again, but anyways. So here's a super cool swimming hole part. Camera's not really doing it justice. But we were swam here some yesterday, but there's people here. And then a cool bridge up there that we're gonna cross and start back and walking back up that way. Just want to show real quick because don't feel like I was showing the moss enough. Next to a big old it's the dry time of year, so. And then look at that tree over there. I would walk over to it, but anyways, I love the moss. I did. You weren't here. Fine, I'll do. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Hi. I think my phone's having trouble focusing with the difference of going from shadow to light like that. So, I didn't film it yesterday because they're called thimbleberries and they're the most delicious things in the whole wide world. They're like pink lemonade, rhubarb bursts of greatness in your mouth. But like this whole plant, but the yield of it is so, like those, see, that's all them, but there's none. Oh, see, like walk all the way over here. And here's one that's getting ready and then an old one. But anyway, so you only pass them once in a while. And then you get them, and they're so amazing. love them so much. They're my favorite.